Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Jnana Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now we study the coordinate geometry. Yesterday we have seen the some distance formula. Now today we are going to see the some examples. See the example. Find the distance between each of the pairs of the point. Now here two pairs of point is given P and Q. The coordinate of P is -5 and 7 and coordinate of Q is -1 and 3. Now we write down here x1 equal to -5, y1 equal to 7, x2 equal to -1, y2 equal to 3. Then write down the distance formula. PQ equal to under root in one bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus second bracket y2 minus y1 bracket square, and that put the values x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now x2 is -1, then x1 is -5, -1 minus in bracket -5 bracket square plus y2 is 3 and y1 is 7, 3 minus 7 bracket square. Now here minus we write down here plus -1 plus 5 bracket square plus 3 minus 7. Now we take the subtraction between these two is a -4 bracket square. Now -1 plus 5 we take again subtraction here 4 bracket raised to 2. Now square of -4 is 16. Then write down square of this 4 is 16 plus 16, that is the 32. Then we write down here 32 is nothing but 16 into 2. Now we can find out the square root of the 16, that is the 4 under root 2. In this way length of PQ is 4 under root 2, means distance between points P and Q is 4 under root 2, which is the answer. Then see the question second. Determine whether the points are collinear. A is having coordinate 1 minus 3 and B is having coordinate 2 minus 5 and C having coordinate -4 7. Then find the solution. For the solution we find out the distance. Determine whether the points are collinear, means we must find out the distance between AB, then BC and then AC. See the distance of AB equal to, write down the distance formula under root in bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now put the values. X2 is 2 and x1 is 1. So x2, that is the in bracket 2 minus 1 bracket square plus -5 minus 3 bracket square. Now 2 minus 1 is 1 square plus -5 minus plus, so -5 plus 3 bracket square. Then square of 1 is 1 plus, so the subtraction between these two -5 plus 3 is -2 bracket square. Then write down 1 as it is. Square of -2 is 4. Then 4 plus 1 is under root 5. The distance AB equal to under root 5, that is the number 1. Then find the distance BC. Now distance BC equal to under root -4, that is the x2 -4 minus 2 bracket square plus 7 minus 5 bracket square. Then -4 minus 2 we take the addition of these two because both are having negative, so -6 bracket square plus 7 minus we get here plus, so 7 plus 5, that is the 12 square. So the square of -6 is 36 and square of 12 is 144. Sum of these two is 180. 180 is nothing but 36 into 5. Then we find out the square root of 36 is 6 under root 5. Now AB equal to under root 5, BC equal to 6 under root 5, that is the equation number 2. Then find the distance AC. AC equal to under root. Again we write down the distance formula and put the values -4 - 1 bracket square plus 7 minus 3 bracket square. Now -4 - 1 is -5 bracket square plus 7, this minus get plus, so 7 plus 3, that is the 10 square, minus 5 square is 25 and 10 square is 100. The sum of these two is 125, means 125 is nothing but 25 into 5. We can find square root of this 25 is 5 under root 5. The length of AC is 5 under root 5, that is the equation number 3. Then we add the equation 1 and 3, that is the AC and AB. Sum of AB plus AC means AB is under root 5 and this third is AC, that is the 5 under root 5. Then sum of these two equal to, see we take common this under root 5, then here also 1 plus 5 in one bracket into under root 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6 under root 5, means sum of these two segment equal to 6 under root 5. Then see the distance BC is also 6 under root 5, that is the equation number 2. Distance AB plus distance AC equal to distance BC. See this is the segment BC. Now AB is under root 5 and BC is BC, here BAC, these are the 3 points. AB equal to under root 5 and AC equal to 5 under root 5. Then sum of this 2 equal to 6 under root 5, that is the length of BC, means from this B to C equal to 6 under root 5. So the sum of these two part equal to this BC. So we can say that this BAC are the collinear point. Then we can say that ABC are the collinear point and point A lie between B and C. Now here we can write down like that, B dash A dash C, means we can say that the point A lie between B and C. Then we see the second question, that is the find X if distance between L and M is 10. The coordinate of L is x, 7 and M is 1, 15. Now so in solution write down the distance formula. See L equal to x, 7 and M equal to 1, 15. Length LM equal to 10. By the distance formula LM equal to under root x minus 1 bracket square plus 7 minus 15 bracket square. Then LM is given 10 equal to under root x minus 1 bracket square plus 7 minus 15, that is the minus 8 bracket square. Squaring both the side we get here 10 square and this under root sign is cancelled because of the squaring both sides. So we write down x minus 1 bracket square plus minus in bracket minus 8 bracket square. So the 10 square is 100 and square of this bracket, then square of minus 8 is 64 then we can write down this 100, this 64 goes to left side, 100 minus 16. So we can write down x minus 1 bracket square equal to 100 minus 64. Then x minus 1 bracket square equal to 36. Then we take a square root on both sides. So this square is cancelled, x minus 1. Then we get here 2 square root of this 36 plus minus 6. Then x minus 1 equal to 6 or x minus 1 equal to minus 6. Then x equal to, this minus 1 goes to the right side and change its sign. So 6 plus 1. Then x equal to 7. Now this minus 1 is also goes to the right side and change its sign. So minus 6 plus 1. This minus change to plus 1. So the minus 6 plus 1 we get minus 5. X equal to 7 or x equal to minus 5. These are the two values of the x. Then you can solve the practice set 5.1. Good day, goodbye. Okay.